Title and copyright. Lecture notes in mechanical engineering. Kyung Yun Kim, Leslie Monplaisir, Jeremy Rickley, editors. Flexible Automation and Intelligent Manufacturing, the Human, Data, Technology Nexus. Proceedings of FAIM 2022, June 19 to 23, 2022, Detroit, Michigan, USA, Volume 1. Open Access. Springer. Lecture notes in mechanical engineering. Series editors. Fakhr Chari, National School of Engineers, University of Sfax, Sfax, Tunisia. Francesco Gherardini, Dipartimento di Ingegneria Enzo Ferrari, Università di Modena e Reggio Emilia, Modena, Italy. Vitaly Ivanov, Department of Manufacturing Engineering, Machines and Tools, Sumy State University, Sumy, Ukraine. Editorial Board Members. Francisco Cavas Martinez, Departamento de Estructuras, Construction y Expresión Gráfica, Universidad Politécnica de Cartagena, Cartagena, Murcia, Spain. Francesca Di Mare, Institute of Energy Technology, Ruhr Universität Bochum, Bochum, Nordrhein-Westfalen, Germany. Mohammed Hader, National School of Engineers of Sfax, ENIS, Sfax, Tunisia. Young W. Kwan, Department of Manufacturing Engineering and Aerospace Engineering, Graduate School of Engineering and Applied Science, Monterey, CA, USA. Justyna Trojanowska, Poznan University of Technology, Poznan, Poland. Lecture Notes in Mechanical Engineering, LNME, publishes the latest developments in mechanical engineering, quickly, informally and with high quality. Original research reported in Proceedings and Post-Proceedings represents the core of LNME. Volumes published in LNME embrace all aspects, subfields and new challenges of mechanical engineering. Topics in the series include 1. Engineering design. 2. Machinery and machine elements. 3. Mechanical structures and stress analysis. 4. Automotive engineering. 5. Engine technology. 6. Aerospace technology and astronautics. 7. Nanotechnology and microengineering. 8. Control, robotics, mechatronics. 9. MEMS. 10. Theoretical and applied mechanics. 11. Dynamical systems, control. 12. Fluid mechanics. 13. Engineering thermodynamics, heat and mass transfer. 14. Manufacturing. 15. Precision engineering, instrumentation, measurement. 16. Materials engineering. 17. Tribology and surface technology. To submit a proposal or request further information, please contact the Springer editor of your location. China, Ms. Ella Zhang at ella.zhang@springer.com. India, Priya Vyas at priya.vyas@springer.com. Rest of Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Swati Marishi at swati.marishi@springer.com. All other countries, Dr. Leontina Di Cecco at leontina.disecco@springer.com. To submit a proposal for a monograph, please check our Springer Tracts in Mechanical Engineering at https://link.springer.com/bookseries/11693 or contact leontina.disecco@springer.com. Indexed by Scopus. All books published in the series are submitted for consideration in Web of Science. More information about this series at https://link.springer.com/bookseries/11236. Kyung Yun Kim, Leslie Monplaisir, Jeremy Rickley, editors. Flexible Automation and Intelligent Manufacturing, the Human, Data, Technology Nexus. Proceedings of FAIM 2022, June 19 to 23, 2022, Detroit, Michigan, USA, Volume 1. Springer. Editors. Kyung Yun Kim, Industrial and Systems Engineering, Wayne State University, Detroit, MI, USA. Jeremy Rickley, Industrial and Systems Engineering, Wayne State University, Detroit, MI, USA. Leslie Monplaisir, Industrial and Systems Engineering, Wayne State University, Detroit, MI, USA. ISSN 2195-4356. ISSN 2195-4364, Electronic. Lecture Notes in Mechanical Engineering. ISBN 978-3-0-31-1-8325-6. ISBN 978-3-1-1-8326-3, ebook. https://doi.org/10.1007/978-3-031-18326-3. Copyright the editors, if applicable, and the authors 2023. This book is an open access publication, corrected publication 2023. Open access. This book is licensed under the terms of the Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International License, http://creativecommons.org/licenses/by/4.0/, which permits use, sharing, adaptation, distribution and reproduction in any medium or format, as long as you give appropriate credit to the original authors and the source. Provide a link to the Creative Commons license and indicate if changes were made. The images or other third-party material in this book are included in the book's Creative Commons license, unless indicated otherwise in a credit line to the material. If material is not included in the book's Creative Commons license and your intended use is not permitted by statutory regulation or exceeds the permitted use, you will need to obtain permission directly from the copyright holder. The use of general descriptive names, registered names, trademarks, service marks, etc. in this publication does not imply, even in the absence of a specific statement, that such names are exempt from the relevant protective laws and regulations and therefore free for general use. The publisher, the authors, and the editors are safe to assume that the advice and information in this book are believed to be true and accurate at the date of publication. Neither the publisher nor the authors or the editors give a warranty, expressed or implied, with respect to the material contained herein or for any errors or omissions that may have been made. The publisher remains neutral with regard to jurisdictional claims in published maps and institutional affiliations. This Springer imprint is published by the registered company Springer Nature Switzerland AG. The registered company address is Gewerbstrasse 11, 6330 Cham, Switzerland.